Meaning of does.
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 Does. The word does is a verb that is commonly used in the English language. It is the present tense of the verb do, which refers to performing an action or carrying out a task. The word does can be used in a variety of contexts, such as asking questions, making statements, and forming negative sentences. Its meaning is dependent on its usage and the context in which it is used. In essence, does indicates the performance of an action in the present tense, and is an essential part of standard English grammar.